Yeah, but you don't eat much. That's the problem. You're picky. You're picky.
That works for you.
No. Rice is life.
I got your rice, hon.
Huh?
I got your rice.
Where?
Look closer.
Oh, you did. Oh, we got my rice.
Good morning, Philippines!
Ah, naubos na. At bukas, anong ano nyo bukas? Anong...
Okay.
Oo. Or ako na lang tatawa, MaryAnn. Ah, sige, salamat. Salamat. Bye-bye. No. They don't have it.
Bye.
Call him back. She said tomorrow.
It's in weekdays, hon.
Call them. Call them. Call them. I'm not lying, promise. Oh, I promise. Promise.
It's in weekdays.
Yeah, I know, but that's why I called. Hon, I'm not lying, hon.
So what did she say?
It's he. The wife is over there. She's asking if when are they gonna cook? Is it tomorrow? She said they have cooked today. It's almost now. So that means it's finished. Guys, she's doing like this. Nagbihis din siya, guys. Excited siya, oh. Excited siya mapuntahan yung store. He's excited to do the store. Look.
I gotta tell you, go to Filipino store.
Yeah, but look at you. But you get dressed quick.
Yeah. Because it's 6 o'clock. Down, scratch.
I'm cooking something.
No, we got the chicken.
No, vegetables. You said you get tired of vegetables. Oh, you said chicken. Is that calzone? Looks like nice looking. Is that calzone? Be careful.
No, stromboli.
Stromboli looks like nice. It's a lot of cheese.
I told you how.
Yeah, you don't tell me to have.
Yeah, I'll get it.
Let me cut some onion, garlic.
Well, we just let's pick up a salad or some shit.
Huh?
I left my salad home, so we just pick up a salad.
You really wanna go out?
What? I just got dressed, so we'll go down.
I don't wanna get dressed. I don't get shower.
We're gonna place you like.
What, are we gonna eat over there or take out?
No, I'll take it. We could eat that. We don't eat that.
No, take out.
Because it's unlimited if you eat that.
Yeah, but you don't eat much. That's the problem. You're picky. You're picky.
That works for you.
No.
Eat there, take it out, make no difference to me.
Can we just do it tomorrow?
Tomorrow, remember, I leave early.
You leave early.
We gotta visit Mom tomorrow because we didn't visit her today. Because we want to get this done.
There's something wrong with you. You really want to go out. Just order Chinese. I really don't like Chinese. You can drive to Chinese. Yeah. It's the closer way. Red Lobster, you know.
Asian place, Flaming Grill. We want that. The Asian food.
Yeah, I know, but it's a lot of money over there. They're pricey. But if you eat over there, that means you eat.
It's up to you. You want to just make takeout or takeout? If you eat there, you got nothing here at home to take for tomorrow.
Tignan nyo yan, guys. Kaloka naman na to. Okay, I have to get dressed, you know that. Alis lang kami. Big, good girls, okay? Itong brand Olympic Elite something. Okay, complete one coat protection, lifetime or best lifetime guarantee. May prolonged dyeing and coating time allowed 24 to 48 hours of drying time. Hala, that means you cannot use that shit for a long time. Grabe yung init, as in, yung init talaga, hindi ko kinaya. Let me open this thing. Hala, lobat na han.
Did you lock my side?
Huh?
Did you lock my side?
Yeah, I did. Guys, you're low bat, so I guess I will see you later na lang, okay? It's blinking, hello.
That's strange, huh?
It's not, all the time we leave, it's like that. Why is that, man?
Because you never charge anything.
Hi guys, kakauwi lang namin. What do you need?
Salad dressing.
Ah, it's right here. It's not over there. Oh, this is not enough.
It's oil vinegar.
It's right here. I have more. We got home, guys, and we have our food right here. Flaming grill, mukbang tayo. Kami salad is, oh my god, he put a really good thing in the salad, huh? Guys, you seen it right? Oh my god. There is an egg. Oh my god, you know what? I need a rice. Rice is life.
I got your rice, son.
Huh?
Hon, I got your rice.
Where?
Look closer.
Oh, you did. Oh my god, my rice. Oh, you did. Roxy think, oh, that sounds like you're talking to me. You did. She's following me yan. Insan?
Yeah.
You got me rice, guys. Yellow rice, guys. Where
Well,
the heck?
yellow rice and a dirty rice, son.
Hey, I have to mobile this. Can you mobile that I can move this? The store you can reach.
You don't come up and make yourself.
Yeah, Roxy. No helpy. Hee hee hee. Hmm.
Obviously, he'll have some shrimp.
Hmm? I should tell that. Look, somebody.
He said, I want some shrimp.
No, honey,
What do you
because
think, Hala?
no, because I said hala, hon. He thinks.
My little special man.
Can you get me water? Thank you. Mm. Honey, I got a lot of shrimp.
Down. Sit down.
Bok choy. Crab, guys. Is that crab?
No, it could be a baby lobster, actually.
Let's see. No one really take this, son. No one really eat it at the store.
I don't know why.
I don't know.
You did very good. Both you ate all your foods. It's for girls.
It's nothing. That's why it's empty.
What?
The thing.
That's where, usually that's where most meat is.
I got meat in here. But it looks weird, you know? How they make it? Tommy told me I'm not girly. I'm a boye. Sobrang sarap niya, guys. It's so good. This shrimp, I don't know what they put here. The dressing and everything is so tasty. You can eat the thing, but there's more, hand. Use your hand because it's pickable. It's pickable. You know what? I'm not girly, but he married me. Because he said he loved me the way I am, Coach.
That's the word.
Yeah.
You'll have to give some to your kids.
But we're going to eat. I got one. I get two of this, so you get two too.
Yeah. I would have got the raw clams, but I don't know if we eat them.
Yeah, if you travel it and it's not fresh.
Oh. I would have tried them anyway.
Huh?
But I figured you wouldn't try them.
No. I never ate raw clam in my life. No.
What is that?
No. After hearing that news about that,
I just go to the bed, dig them up with my feet and eat them, and then open them up and eat them.
that people died because of that.
People die because of everything.
Clam coffee.
They clam, right.
So good.
I gotta see what I can give these kids something. I can give these kids something.
Octopus, guys. Right here, an octopus. And try everything. Octopus talaga. It's a salad. But you're not enjoying it with me. You keep giving it to the dog.
I give them one little piece of chicken each.
I don't know why I got this again.
What?
The chewy one.
They look tough. Yeah, they don't look very tender. Stuffed shrimp.
Huh?
Stuffed shrimp.
This one, oh?
That was stuffed shrimp, huh?
No, I have this shrimp, and you should try this too. Today, guys, in Flaming Grill, there's a lot of people. Did you notice that? This is the first time I saw a lot of people.
One piece of chicken and that's it.
Huh?
One more piece of this chicken, that'll be it.
Yeah, right, hon. Let me stop yet. You have to eat the fruits.
I like the squid salad.
Why?
I don't like it. It's very sushi-like squid.
Masarap ito, guys. Butchi-butchi. Natamis. It's sweet. I like it. Oh my god, it's nothing. That's why people doesn't really eat this. Because it's nothing.
I don't even understand how it can be.
If the other watermelon is so refreshing. Nabusog kami, guys. Grabe. You don't even eat my thing. This is really hard. Can clean your teeth. It's like a dog chewable treat.
Yeah, but now you got food for a couple days.
No, this is going with Joe.
No, it is not. I don't know you. Why was it going to go with me for? I like salad. That was really all I wanted to get from there, but I know you always like don't take things that you remember you wanted.
We are finished our dinner. Minukbang namin ni Tami yon. And ngayon, maliligo lang ako. Mamaya na, I think. What? Hala, meron pa pala akong video. Hi, Mitika. Somebody's sleeping. What do you want? Wala masyadong vlog to diha, guys, kasi more ano lang tayo mukbang at saka very konti lang talaga and masakit din yung puso ko. I will see you na lang tomorrow's vlog, okay? Good night, guys. Good night. Tulog si Tami doon ay. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow.
Rockabye,